Hello, Eli. What is it you have in your hand? What is that? Is that a kitchen spoon? You're trying to figure out how you can eat the whole spoon? Yummy. There's not even any batter on it. Hey, Gabe. Kugling? How's it going?
Good.
We're just playing with Eli.
You didn't have this last time, did you?
Right there. We were trying to teach him how to use the stick to beat this, but he's much more interested in putting it in his mouth.
You know, he will figure that out at some point,
Yeah.
and then you won't be that happy, so.
That's a good point.
I mean, you've got years of him banging to...
So what do
You were just curious about cooking utensils.
he's anything involving food. Eli's curious.
Eli, bring the bowl over here.
Good job.
Good
You
job.
passed it from hand to hand.
And now you're gonna eat the bowl, aren't you? Aren't you?
No.
Whoa!
I think it's supposed to be pretty good.
Whoa! That's a bowl.
Are you trying to eat out of it? Do you recognize that as the thing that your carrots go in? You're like, where are my carrots? Where's my cereal?
He's eating the bowl.
Are they teething?
No, he just puts everything in his mouth.
That's what babies do. That's how they learn.